Okay, welcome back. What are we doing right now? Well, we are recovering from a mistake. Um, Anywho, I was recording a video and my headset cut out on me and I didn't know. So I'm starting over again. What are we doing in this video? Well, in the last video we got something to print to the console, right? And then we look up the setup function. So we printed it in the loop function. Setup or serial.println hello Bob, hello Carol. Or we printed something, and you see the result of that is printing on the console there. So we're in the setup function. That's up the top here. Setup function is called when a sketch starts. Use it to initialize variables. Setup function will only run once after each power up or reset. Setup code. So pin mode button, see also, and doesn't tell much about that after that, right? So what I want to do is see, I did a little bit of testing on this before, but I want to see, can we, uh, can we call these functions, or can we call these, can we call this println method from up here? Or even, let's see what happens when we call, and, um, oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's see what happens. So we have, I'm going to delete that line of code. So we have we have one print line up here, and then we have two print lines down here of, that was supposed to be one name, two name, and three names in three different places. Let's see what happens when we run this code. So once again, we're just testing a few things to see what works, what doesn't work. If we can break something, we're getting our feet wet. So what do we got? A repeat over here of Steve and Carol. Did Bob run once? We don't know. We'd have to, if Bob ran at all. We're not sure. But it didn't break anything, right? So let's try something different. Let's, let's comment this one. Let's comment this line out, and let's comment this line out, and let's run the program and see what happens. So basically, up here where serial print line where it says hello Bob, that I want that to run one time. That's what I expect to happen. That's what I want to happen. And instead what we got is this garbage right here, right? So, but if we take this same line of code and we just X that out, and we're going to come down here, and I'll just put that in down here. Okay, and then we run the code. We'll have hello Bob repeated, right? So for whatever, the serial print line doesn't seem to want to run a piece of text in the setup. Like, it strictly does seem to be for specific setup functions. Not sure what that, what all that entails, but so once again, how can we prove that we're on the right track? We're going to undo these, and then we'll run it, and you'll see it'll start saying hello Bob, Mary, Steve, whatever the names are. Okay, here in just a minute. Now let's do we want to do more with the setup function right now? No, I want to do something else, but we're going to do it in the next video. Okay, so we're going to stop right here. In the next video, we're going to make a little custom method, and I'll show you what that means and what it does. Next video.